Think a sluggish throttle means an expensive trip to the mechanic? Think again. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple ways to reset your throttle position sensor, TPS, and the best part? You can do all of them yourself. Each method works for different situations, so you'll know exactly which one to use for your car. I'll also point out common mistakes so you don't mess anything up. Let's start with the easiest method. But stick around, because method 3 is the most reliable when nothing else works. Method number 1, basic ignition reset, easiest. This method works for most modern cars. If your car feels sluggish, throttle response is weird, or RPMs are acting strange, but there's no check engine light, start here. Step by step. 1. Turn the car off completely. Remove the key and wait a few seconds. 2. Insert the key and turn it to on position. Don't start the engine. Dashboard lights will come on, that's normal. 3. Slowly press the gas pedal. Take about 4 seconds to press it all the way down. 4. Hold it down for 3 seconds. 5. Slowly release the pedal. Again, take about 4 seconds. 6. Repeat this process 3 times total. Don't rush, smooth and steady is important. 7. Turn the key off and remove it. Wait about 10 seconds. 8. Start the car and check response. If the throttle feels smoother and more responsive, you're done. Method number 2, battery disconnect reset. If method 1 didn't work, try this. This is best for electronic throttle control systems. Be careful when handling the battery. 1. Turn off the engine and open the hood. 2. Locate the battery. Remove the negative terminal, black cable. 3. Wait 5 to 10 minutes. This clears stored electrical data. 4. Reconnect the cable and tighten it. 5. Turn the key to on, don't start. 6. Start the car and let it idle for 10 to 15 minutes. Don't touch the gas pedal. Turn off, restart, and test. If the issue improves, great. If not, move to the final method. Method 3, TPS RelearnReprogram, most reliable. Use this information. You replace the throttle body. You have serious TPS issues. You're getting persistent error codes. Steps. 1. Make sure engine is cool. 2. Disconnect negative battery terminal. Wait 2 minutes, then reconnect. 3. Turn key to on, don't start. 4. Listen carefully. You'll hear a buzzing sound from the throttle body. That's the system relearning. 5. Wait 3 to 5 minutes until it stops. 6. Turn key off. 7. Start the engine. Let it idle for 10 to 15 minutes. 8. Take a short test drive. Now your throttle should feel smooth again. Important tip, don't skip. After resetting your TPS, keep your throttle body clean. Clean it every 20,000 kilometers. Use a proper throttle body cleaner. Avoid carb spray, thinner, or gasoline, they can damage it. And that's it, your problem should now be completely fixed. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Car Care Fix for more simple car repair tips and secret maintenance tricks. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.